In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star messages on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal chats or professional communications, this feature can be a lifesaver for keeping track of important messages. Starring a message essentially bookmarks it, making it easier for you to find later. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this simple yet highly effective process. Firstly, you'll need to open a conversation on WhatsApp Web. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you're connected to the internet and navigate to the WhatsApp web page. Once there, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the menu or settings icon, and select WhatsApp Web to scan the QR code. This will synchronize your phone's WhatsApp with your computer, giving you the full desktop experience. Now that you're in, click on any chat to open it. You can select conversations from your list on the left side of the WhatsApp Web interface. Browse through your chats and pick the one containing the message you want to star. Remember, starring messages is useful if you want to keep track of things like addresses, reminders, or just special notes shared in your chats. Once you've opened the chat, hover your mouse over the message you'd like to star. As you glide your cursor over the message, you'll notice some options appearing on the right. This usually includes icons for replies or reactions depending on your interface. But what we're interested in is either the small arrow pointing downward or the option to right-click directly on the message for further actions. If you see the downward arrow, go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. If you chose to right-click, you should also see a similar set of options appear. Among these, you'll locate the star option. Simply click on star, and that's it. The message is now starred. In case you ever need to find this starred message quickly, WhatsApp Web allows you to do so by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, then selecting Starred Messages. This brings up a list of all the messages you've starred, helping you easily locate that critical piece of information without scrolling through endless chat history. And there you have it, a handy way to organize your WhatsApp messages for quick access whenever you need them. Feel free to use this feature to keep your important messages easily accessible at all times. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks on using WhatsApp effectively.